Now, so what we're going to do here is we're going to draw this shape. So we're going to draw an elevation and then a plan, and then we're going to ignore, we're not going to draw this end elevation, but what we're going to do is we're going to draw a true shape of this shape here. Okay, so let's try that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the general outline, or the box for this. So I can see here it's 100 times 125. Starting off anywhere in the middle of the page, I'm going to draw in here. Okay. I'm going to draw in here, I'm going to mark here. Draw a line straight up, okay? Mark here, 100. And then 125. So I've now drawn a box that is 100 times 125. So inside this box, I'm going to put my elevation. And below this, I'm going to leave a space of 20 millimeters. And I'm going to draw so somewhere here, my plan is going to go. So if I look here, I can see that we're looking down on the piece, and the width is going to be 85. Width of 85. So we're looking in from this side. I see here that the first thing that I can draw on the end elevation is 15 millimeters. Okay? So it's a line straight across with a height of 15. So at the moment I'm going to draw that nice and lightly straight across. The next line is 25. So now I've drawn 15, 25, and now 60. And if you notice, 60 is there already, because I've drawn my box. So the next thing I can do is see this little rectangle here. I have all the measurements to draw my rectangle. So let's do that. So I can see it's in 70 from the corner, draw a line straight up, and that will complete my rectangle. 70 in. Draw a line straight down, and that'll give me my rectangle. So we've got that there. Now, if I look at the drawing, there's no measurement for this point here. What we're going to have to do is look down when we're in the plan and mark here the 55 and 50. But for now, we can move on and draw this part here. So we've got that. What does a quarter of a cylinder look like in the elevation? So what it is, if you look straight in from here, what you will see there is you'll see just a simple rectangle. And the measurements are 60 for the height, which we already have drawn in, and then 50 for the width. Let's mark in 50. Draw a line straight up. And that's what we can see. Now, looking in from here, we have this shape here. Although we can see it in our elevation, we can't draw it as of yet. We don't have any measurement for this point here. Notice the way it kind of loops around. Okay, so we don't have any measurement for this point. What we're going to have to do is look down from the end elevation in the plan and find that point and bring it straight up. But for now, we're happy. We just move on to the plan and start drawing. So